I've had this ever since 2020, and it's worked pretty good. However, when I first got it, I noticed the motor was really stiff, and it was super like loud and noisy, and it was almost like sounded like the motor was clogged. So I just replaced the motor. Well, not just because it's been replaced for like I don't know, probably 3 years maybe. Um, and or I think 2 years maybe. I can't remember, but the motor that it has now is actually a lot faster than the original motor, and it's a lot smoother. Also, I put stickers on it. It came from like a knockoff Nerf gun thing. But yeah, and I colored the headlights. Yeah, they look kind of bad, but I might put LEDs in them and attach it to the motor, so whenever it goes forward and backward, depending on which direction it goes, the lights will light up. But it's pretty smooth though. Oh, that was close.